Hey Dan, it's Monday, 2 o'clock. Stefan and I are down here doing a little hull maintenance, and I know you wanted to see the saw in action, so let's
I'll take the video.
let's do some action. Okay. Here, let's stop, and then so Dan, this ice is just from yesterday. It's about 1.5 inches thick. And it's not that it's so difficult to get through with the chisels, it's just that the saw makes a nice clean edge. And it's, relatively easy. Now over here, when I get to this spot, this ice is about 12 inches thick. So you'll see that's a little more difficult. So what I do is I saw at about a 45. And then when I get to the corner, I can come at it from the other direction. It's just easier than sawing upright. You can see where somebody got in yesterday or today or something.
Yeah, they weren't very professional at doing this.
All right, so now I'm getting to the thicker ice. Hold on. All right.
Is it a little hot?
Oh my goodness.
It's quite the workout.
So you remember last year after Mexico, how hard it was to get through all this, and this is so much easier. I did have to chisel a hole right here just as a pilot hole so that I could turn and go the other direction. The other issue is this ice is almost up to the sand, so I have to So this is the hard part, is getting that getting back to the 90 like that. That wasn't so bad, never mind. Okay, so now, whoops.
Wow, it actually slices pretty easily. Do you have a lot of force on that?
No, it's
Not really.
You're cutting on the push.
So it's pretty easy to cut.
Yeah. The hard part is when the ice gets this thick is picking that right angle, and you got to have a little bit of force on the downhand to keep that saw moving through the ice. So this one's a little more, so if we had to cut a fresh hole in 18-inch thick ice, yeah, you're gonna work. Don't let the ice get 18 inches. That's the key. But he goes through 6 inches pretty easily.
And you say this is how thick?
It's what?
How thick is this?
Oh, we'll find out when we pull it out. It's at least that thick, if not, I think, plus another 2 or 3 inches.
Oh, okay.
So maybe 12 to 14. Plus, with the ice this thick, what happens is, as the slush and the water go up, it refreezes. So you don't get it cut quickly. You got to go back and at least rescore it.
Oh, because it just freezes back.
Yeah. Okay. Whew. Okay, so now I'm going to try to pull it. And finish off that hole at more of a 90. Okay, hold on. I'm going to be out here in just my bare chest here in a second. Whew. Today's episode is brought to you by Mugby Junction. Okay. Whoa. Oh, we'll tip that off here in a bit.
Yeah, so that comes loose really easily. Is that less work than chipping it?
I think it is. And again, what you get is you get a clean edge and not a jaggedy edge, which I think makes a difference. Let's see if I can go to there now.
It is a lot of work. I don't think everybody appreciates this.
Ah, did that move? Yes, it did. Woo! Okay. So, here's the question. Can we get this out?
Yeah, well, we'll have to put your phone in somewhere.
Okay, here. Okay. Look at mine and see if. Goodness. Okay, how do you want to do this? Yeah, I need to be in a fatter area. There we go. Whoa! Okay, so that's how thick it is. That's a goodly thickness. That's really cool how that formed like that. Oh, nice work. So this is what we pulled out yesterday. I guess we have the rest of this to get out if we really want to. I guess we do. So that's the story from the hole in the river, and we're sticking to it. That's a good question. Okay, Dan, here's a little postscript. I just realized that we have these footsteps sort of frozen in time. So when it got warm last time and all this was slushy, and then it rained and all that rain collected on top with that slush, these footsteps, you know, as we're walking in and out, we made giant impressions, and then they in turn froze in place. So if this is in fact the start of the new ice age, these footsteps may be here for 1 million years. It's true.